Good morning, children. I am class teacher of Standard 3rd, Mrs. Iga Madam. Once more, I welcome to online classes. Today, we are going to learn English Balabari Standard 3rd. Lesson number 7, Kashaba Jadhav. In the last period, lesson number 13 is completed. Page number 13 is completed. Okay. So, today page number 14 started. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. Kashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and the national level. Kashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. When Kashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the boats were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kashaba Jadhav won a sixth place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Kashaba wished to take part in the Olympics again, but it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Kashaba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Kashabad's village also helped. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Kashaba Jadhav had two famous opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first 5 boats quite easily. He won each boat within 5 minutes. Okay. काशाबा जादव कौन थे? रेसलर थे, यानी कि कुश्तीपटु थे, और वो नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल के गेम खेलते रहते थे. हाँ, ओलंपिक गेम मीन्स इंटरनेशनल लेवल एंड नेशनल लेवल्स की गेम खेलते थे. और वो जब नेशनल चैम्पियन निरंजन दास इन 1942 में वो जब विनर हुए, तब वो ओलंपिक पार्टिसिपेट भी थे और उसमें वो विन भी हो चुके थे. तो नेक्स्ट पेज सीयर, पेज नंबर 15. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Kashaba lost the match by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Kashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. Kashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. When Kashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dolls. Kashabad Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first boat to raise money, not for himself, but for the principal who had given his house for sending Kashabad to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. Kashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honor for our motherland? जब वो काशाबा जादव इंटरनेशनल लेवल में ओलंपिक गेम्स में विनर हो चुका था, तब अपने गांव में उनका स्वागत अच्छी तरह से ढोल ताशा की तरफ से हो रहा था. ओके, अंडरस्टूड.